Okay, now I'm going to be explaining problem 51. I don't know if you can see it right here. And it says that the distance from the center, this is a circle, from the center of a circle to a chord. This is a chord. It's a segment that the endpoints are on the circumference of the circle. And it says that the distance from the center to the chord is 24 inches. 24, that's all I know. But if the chord is 20 inches, for example, this is the chord, this is AB, the chord is from here to here, and let's say that the measure of line segment AB is saying that is 20 inches. That means from A to B is 20 inches. They're asking you for the diameter of the circle. The situation here is I cannot find the diameter of the circle unless I know the radius of the circle. You see the distance from the center to one of the endpoints here. So this is what I'm going to do. If you look at here, this is going to be a right triangle. How do I know? Because the distance from the center to any chord is going to be perpendicular and is going to divide the chord into two. Let me say it again. The distance from a center to a chord always perpendicular and also divides the chord into two. So what I'm going to do in order to find the radius, which is going to be the hypotenuse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I don't know if you remembered a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared. So what I'm going to put here is 24 squared, which is this leg here. And because from here to here is 20, from here to here is going to be 10. So 24 squared plus 10 squared is going to be equal to the hypotenuse squared, which is the same thing as the radius. 10 squared, I already know that is going to be 100. But I believe that 24 squared, if I'm not wrong, is 576 equals to c squared. 576 plus 100 is 676 equals to c squared. But I don't want c squared, I want c. So c is going to be equal to the square root of 676. If I'm not wrong, it's going to be 26 equals c. That means that c, the distance from the center to this point here, is the radius is 26. But I'm not looking for the radius, I'm looking for the diameter. So the diameter is twice the radius, so the diameter is 2 times 26. So the diameter has to be 52. If I'm not wrong, the answer is letter D, 52. Let me just review a little bit again. A chord is a line segment that goes from one point to another point, and those points are on the circumference. The distance from the center to the chord is always perpendicular, and it always bisects the segment in two equal parts. So if they're asking you for the diameter, you need to find first the radius. But the radius is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So 24 squared plus 10 squared, this is 10, is going to give you 676. The square root of is 26. So that means the hypotenuse, which is the radius, is 26. Twice 26 is 52. That's the diameter. I hope that helped a little bit.